Hi everyone, Amanda Jane here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to keep your edges really straight using double crochet. That's a US double crochet, a UK treble crochet. So what's the difference between the way I do my edges and other videos? So instead, when we come to the end of doing turning chains, we're simply going to turn our work and we're going to do a stacked single crochet into the very first stitch. So into this stitch here, right at the base of your work, just you see there's the loop, it's the first stitch, the very last stitch of the previous row, we do a single crochet, and then we do a single crochet into this left hand leg, just like so, and that gets us up to the height of a normal double crochet, and then we just continue in the normal way. Now obviously if your pattern tells you otherwise, you're going to have to adapt your pattern to make sure that you end up with the right stitch count when you go across. We'll just whiz across to the end and I'll show you again how this ends up looking, because in fact it becomes much easier at the end of the row. Going into a turning chain can be quite tricky sometimes, particularly if your tension is quite tight. Actually putting the hook into a turning chain can be quite tricky. So I've come to the last stitch. This is my stacked single crochet from the previous row. Just turn it towards yourself and you'll see the top of the stitch. Our last stitch goes into those two strands, picking up the top of that stitch, finishing it off neatly. Turn your work and off you go. Now look how straight this edge is, and also how taut. It's quite taut. I mean, it's not super taut, it's still got give in it, but it's really straight. There's no little curves, which you can get sometimes, particularly if you do 3 turning chain when you're doing a double crochet. So you can adapt your work to make sure when you do the start, you're doing that stacked single crochet. Very useful in granny squares as well, because it mimics very closely a normal double crochet. So we just continue on our merry way all the way across to the end, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy adding the stacked single crochet into your arsenal of stitches, because it can be, you just have to think, oh, could I swap that instruction out and make my work have a neat edge? Now, where do you need a neat edge? Well, obviously on clothing, if it's a seam, it's not so crucial, although I would do it for the side seam of a cardigan. But on a scarf, where you're going to see the edge very clearly, you really need to keep that edge straight. So turn, when you get to the last stitch, and you'll know you're at the last stitch because you've got this curve here, turn your work slightly towards yourself to do that last stitch in that V here. Oh, sometimes a little tricky, isn't it? Let's just ease it on. There we go. Turn your work. See, that one was quite straight. And then again, single crochet into the very first stitch, single crochet into that left leg. And there you have it, how to keep your edges straight using a double crochet and standing stitches. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.